Welcome back. Rico Money Bags, the channel helping you invest in yourself so we can invest in the future. Make sure you guys smash the like button. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure the bell notification is lit, everybody. We're always going live all the time, every single day. Different time zones, different times, right? You got to be malleable with what's going on in the space. I mean, today's a great day to be inside of crypto because this is a great day for smart money to get on his P's and Q's, everybody. We know that, Bitcoin's price drop. We know that ETH price drop. We know that BNB's price drop. And everybody's respected charts have pulled back to some extent or another. But as you can see, I'm very, very excited. We got, Review Pep? Have the whole community pull up, man. Have the whole community pull up. You got to have everybody pull up, man. Have everybody pull up. So like that, I know you're a strong community, and I know that you guys are going to be here. And you guys will grind for my bag no matter what. Let's go ahead and share the stream. Let's get the numbers up right away, everybody. Should be live on YouTube as well. Let's see what's going on over here. It takes a second sometimes. Let me go ahead and check. Make sure we're live everywhere, everybody. Let's go ahead and engage. We have that countdown sent, so maybe it's going to wait for the actual countdown. So let's let the stream fill up. Let's share these links while we're doing it. We're live on X already. YouTube technically has not put us out that we're live. There we go. Now it's all the way live. I see everybody strolling in now. Let's get the stream going, everybody. I know the markets have pulled back. I know everybody feels however they feel, but today's a great day, actually, everybody. Today is a day where smart money really starts to look like, good time to step in. And you know what? I closed some trades this morning that I'm very happy about because I was looking at this cyber again. I've been telling you guys, it keeps getting oversold and you're being able to ride it up again. This is the same thing going on with your favorite projects right now. Everything is oversold, everybody. So right now is that amazing time for you guys to act like smart money and position yourselves and your families in the right position right now before the markets take off. What's up, Mr. Mo? Love the XPX community pulling up. I see you, Rudy. I see everybody pulling up. Crow and Knife pulled up first. We're going to definitely bring you guys up right after XPX. But XPX fam, I mean, you guys know that when the show doesn't start at its normal time in the morning, in the AM, you guys know that there's some good meetings going on. And as you can tell by my sentiment, you guys know me by now, right? You guys know what's up. Like, we rock with each other, right? You guys really rock with me. It was a great day, everybody. And you know what? It goes to show that building and moving the pylon in the right direction is more exciting than when the markets are kind of pumping, because yeah, you want to ape into XPX right now. This is when smart money comes in. When I saw all the paperwork today, we're really close, everybody. We're just got to do a couple more little jump through this hoop, go under this barbed wire, bada bing, bada boom, and we're golden, everybody. And we're seeing a little bit of life, now that the Bitcoin has reached that ultimate bottom, right? It's shaking everybody out. This is almost that perfect time. What we say, by maybe the end of the month, we see the markets looking really good, everybody. I really think that the markets have been shaking everybody out. This is that last shakeout before the breakout, everybody. What's up, Moon? XPX is the payment solution that pays you. It's one of the only ones out there. There's a lot of off-ramps. Everybody knows that. But this is the pay that pays you. We can see the passive income nonstop, everybody. Very, very exciting meetings this morning. I mean, when I went to go get my breakfast, I was like, it's like, you have all these realizations, and I rock with you guys, and I'm letting you guys know what's going on. I go get my breakfast after these meetings, amazing meetings about XPX and everything, and bullish meetings, right? People that are higher ups in the area, and you can see that crypto adoption has not hit because they're also interested in getting a bag of XPX. So here we are onboarding even a lawyer team wants to have some XPX, everybody, because this is what they said. I'm quoting, paraphrasing what they said, but that they were in crypto the last bull run, but they got rid of all their crypto because they couldn't find a way to use it. And that made me so happy, everybody. I literally was driving to go get my breakfast with the biggest Kool-Aid smile ever, because it highlights again of, crypto adoption has not happened and how early we are. And I love the feeling knowing that XPX is here to provide the pickaxes, the shovels, because we are in a gold rush, everybody. And those who provide real services, like one of the lawyers was saying that, basically the last bull run, they got rid of all their crypto, emptied out everything because there was no way to actually spend it. I actually know somebody here in Las Vegas that's one of the reasons that they have not got engaged with crypto. And they actually own XPX now, and they're just waiting on the sideline, and they can't wait to be able to even help with, them spending money, using their crypto in the real world. We got some things coming right around the corner. As you guys can tell, I'm super excited. And I know the markets are trying to test you right now, but this is what we work for, everybody. This is why we grind so much to make things happen. And I'm having a great day. And when I saw the markets pull back, I closed my positions this morning on Cyber. Cyber had pulled back late last night. And yes, I stay up very late, everybody, doing this stuff to make sure that things for XPX are always squared away, everybody. That's why, things can stay looking so good. And there's other ways that we pay for stuff. And this is one of them. Check this out. Close some trades, great breakout. And then I'm, have this great meeting. I'm driving to go get the breakfast. And I'm noticing the rest of the markets pull back. And I'm scrolling through, as I'm getting there, looking at stuff. And I'm like, interesting, because the overall sentiment is kind of negative and people are kind of bearish. But it just made me feel so fulfilled, everybody, to know that we're going to keep our word for this amazing community called XPX. And the market conditions didn't matter to me, because they really don't matter to me, everybody. You guys know that no matter what, we're here to stay. And all of our favorite projects that pull up on a regular basis, we're going to make it, everybody. But today was that next level rewarding and fulfilling because you guys know I say what I mean and I mean what I say. And we're one step closer to the realization of everybody using our utility in our space. And that is the XPX way, everybody. XPX is the pay that pays you, everybody. And it's coming into fruition, everybody. It's right there. It's so exciting. And to have people in the corporate world, a team of lawyers also get bullish because, they're reading all of our docs, they're going through everything. And for them to, not because everything's almost finalized and to be like, just out of on their own idea, they're like, anything good actually happening in crypto? It's like, yeah, we are. And we're one of the hottest things. And they're like, well, one of the reasons that I exited crypto the last bull run was because I could not use it. And that made my day, everybody. That made my day. And I hope that if you're a part of XPX, that you guys understand that that's what we're going to continue to do. There's corporate people. There are people in other countries. There are people around the world right now that are not accepting crypto and don't know how to use it because it's not being used as a currency. It's called cryptocurrency. Well, at XPX, you're going to be able to use it as a currency like it's supposed to be used, everybody. And that, to me, even with the markets pulling back, made me so bullish. Obviously I'm bullish on my own project, on the project me and the team put together and this vision together. But it was just like, yes, it was just really rewarding, everybody. Really, really rewarding. And I really want you guys to be a part of this journey because this is just the beginning, everybody. When we say that this is the pay that pays you, we really mean that, everybody. You deserve to have something that pays you, everybody. You deserve to have something in your wallet that is always looking out for you. You deserve to have something in your MetaMask, in your Trust wallet, whatever you might be using, that it's always working for you no matter what. And XPX is going to be doing that for us forever, everybody, nonstop, forever. And come over here, engage with us. I mean, we got project leads from other projects. Everybody's got an eye on us, everybody. We're going to do this together. We are going to do this together. Now, some people will hop in now, stake their tokens, and say, hey, I don't want to keep coming to this stream and see this at $5,000 passive income. And I've been pulling up to the stream nonstop and I call myself an investor, but yet I never grabbed the bag. It's like, if you believe everything else I'm telling you about your favorite projects, then I don't know how you can distinguish that there's cap over here, but not cap over there. Like, I'm going to do all these things that I said. So it is a very exciting day for me, and not even caring about the market conditions. Yeah, XPX is going nowhere, but also everywhere. Mr. Mo, what are you talking about? Oh, my God. We're not going nowhere because we're going to stay here, right? We're not going anywhere, but we're going to be everywhere. We got OG Brett pulling up, everybody. What's up, everybody? Pull up, man. Bring your communities. Today's a great day, everybody. This is that shakeout before the breakout. This is the calm before the storm. All the fancy terms that we have in this space before things actually happen right now, everybody. And I can feel it. I can feel it. The last week was like, but now we're getting into, we're in September now, everybody. And we're getting in this point where, we're getting to the point where this is becoming the reality of, getting into these same ranges of, that 160 days. After this last pump, right? And I still have the window open because this one took 180 days. This one took 160 days. We're about 130 days in on this one, everybody. So we're about one whole month away from when the last one actually kicked off. And we're, about a month and a half away from the previous cycle after that bull run kicked off. So we're getting into that sweet spot right now. We're getting into that sweet spot. And you can kind of tell that we are because all this shaking out before it happens. You think they're not going to shake the tree like there's no tomorrow to knock everybody out of the tree before they let this thing move? We know that there's been price manipulation. We know that they've been suppressing the price of Bitcoin, with ETF, all this stuff that's been going on that in any other market conditions without, market price manipulation, it would have sent BTC. How did BTC get to these prices before, to 69,000? There was no ETF. So how is it that now we have, public recognition, a lot more accessible, but the prices are not pumping? And everybody, that is price manipulation. That is price manipulation. That's why you're having that turnout with Bitcoin the way that we are. But let's look on this daily chart, everybody. Let's zoom all the way in. Let's talk about where we're at. This is that shakeout. Let's zoom it in. Let me see where we're at right now. Okay, on the screen, looks good right there. This is where we're at, everybody. We've been consolidating nonstop. This consolidation area is the consolidation area right here in this blue section, and where we're going through right now. This is that section right here that's happening before we break out. And we can see that, happening right now with the Bitcoin chart on the daily chart, oversold. So all your favorite projects that everybody's been almost shooken out of right now, whether it's even XPX, we see even a shakeout on XPX, we see a shakeout on FEG token. I'm still going to pull up. I know that there's a shakeout before the breakout. You think that they let all the peasants know before it's time for the rally? You think they're going to let us all know, everybody? No, they want us to stay in our own respective sectors, or let's call them tax brackets, and they don't want this opportunity that's about to happen regardless for you to grasp it 100%. And this is your chance to grasp this thing. I mean, we're right here, everybody. I see Crow with Knife definitely pulled up first. We got Crow, Vote Inu pulling up, XPX pulling up. Man, call your communities up. I know some people are like, boo-hoo, boo-hoo, but get them in here right now. This is a time to be celebrating. We got what's up, everyone? Let's go. Cheeks up in here, man. Man, next level. You got to make that connection with me, man. He's a influencer. He's a world poker guy, and he's a lot of the same stuff that he said is where I'm at. I'm tired of the serial developers. They got to make a million projects. We're making one project, XPX. That's it. We're gonna send XPX all the way, everybody. That's what's happening. Now we might get on chains in the future, right? We might touch on that base chain later on, because the power of Smart DeFi allows us to do that. But right now, we're not going to be making a whole bunch of different tokens, everybody, and keep just thinning out the liquidity. It's not going to happen. Crow with Knife pulling up strong today. We got 48 people already live with us, not even on the 15-minute mark. We're going to have a bit of an extended show. I want to go through some things. I want to talk about everybody's project, but this is that time. We got, man, loving this. Loving everybody pulling up, man. Go post this link in your TG right now. They're not doing anything. They're not doing anything. If there's circle jerk going on, tell them, hey, get in here right now. You're about to miss the signal. This is smart money right now, everybody. Smart money. Look at this. Let me show you guys. Smart money. Whoop. Smart money. Whoop. Smart money. Whoop. Smart money. What are we going to do? Are we going to sit around and touch grass all day? Are we going to touch grass all day while smart money's coming in? That's what I think. And I'm not against touching grass. Don't get me wrong. I love grass. I know everybody wants to touch it and stuff. I'm not against it. What I think is that we're touching it at the wrong time. I think people are saying that we should touch it when it's red. But if we say that we're going to touch it when the markets are red and bloody because you can't handle it, how do you expect to be a person that capitalizes when the prices are cheap if you're out touching grass? I don't get that. I don't get that. I don't understand that. And I think there's some discrepancies in some of the terminology that we're using and the way that we apply this terminology, right? Like Rico Moneybags, I'm gonna touch some grass because I'm loading up down here. Can I go touch grass after I take some profits on my future trades up here? Isn't that a nice time to touch some grass? So if the markets are greedy and you're supposed to be fearful, that's when you're supposed to be touching grass. When the markets are greedy, your bag's pumping, you can kind of take a break. When the markets are fearful and everybody's out touching grass, that's where you sneak in, everybody. That's where you sneak in and you snatch up a bag, everybody. Tap into the Money Bags Mansion. The numbers in there are growing. It's free. It's absolutely free, everybody. I closed my trades out today. If we can get this stream to 200 people, I'll do $100. Actually, we'll do 2 giveaways. If we get to 200 people, we'll do a $50 giveaway of XPX, and we'll do another one as well. So 2 people can win if we get to 200 viewers on this channel. It's very important, everybody. I'm trying my best. If you got some Crow and Knife, if you got some Vote, I have a giveaway wallet, that's not going to me. I don't need your guys' giveaway tokens. I'm making my own money. I close my futures trades. I tell you guys all the time, I don't need that stuff. If you guys want some giveaways like what I'm doing, and you guys want to add on to that and make this show a little bit bigger, and we're getting some, some crypto into the hands of the people, they're more likely to be keeping an eye on all the stuff, right? So I think it's a good idea. Shout out to Cryptos Are Us guys. Shout out to the Dirty Degens. Get everybody up in here, man. Great times right ahead. We've been watching this one as well, the Cyber token. It's oversold. Everything's oversold right now. Everything's like, it's party time, everybody. It's party time. Late last night, we seen this pump happening. I mean, it squeezed everybody a little bit lower. And I was like, I kind of just bought the dip a little bit. I usually don't like to do that. I'm going to be honest with you guys. But when it kind of went a little bit deeper, and I knew that Bitcoin was basically at this same, it's easy to buy the dip on my Cyber play, right? When it dipped kind of late last night, when it went a little bit lower, I caught this first dip right here. It was nicely oversold, right, on this first dip, and it was supposed to stay right there, and it went a little bit lower. I just DCA'd into it because I knew that was a sharp spike, and Bitcoin has sharp spiked into the same area that it keeps pumping right back off of. So I mean, nice trade for the AM closed out. And then great meetings for XPX, all things XPX. Oh my God, the pay that pays you, everybody. Come over here, give me a follow at Rico Moneybags. We're almost, at 100 people already. Come check this out really quick. To all smart DeFi projects and communities, never forget where we originated from at Life is DeFi is a genius. The alien, FEG token, cutting edge technology will reshape the entire crypto space. Let me show you guys something. How long I've been rocking with FEG token, everybody? Since before this, everybody. And FEG token received this award. What best DeFi technology, everybody? We are we are all things technology when it comes to smart DeFi and what we have built over here, right? And we're adding to it as far as XPX goes. But watching FEG grow to where it's been, to where it's at, to look at smart DeFi way back then, and to know that we've been working on this all the way till now. This is what long-term investment looks like. This is 2022, everybody. This is 2022. And this is sometimes how long things take. And now we're at that Goldilocks zone, right? That not too hot, not too cold. That perfect porridge, everybody, where the timing is lined up, the stars are aligned, the crypto market's about to boom, bigger than ever before, and XPX was, designed to make sure that we last through all the highs, the lows, no matter what, and we're associated with as the winner of best DeFi technology. Nobody else won that, everybody. Nobody else won that. That was for FegX, everybody, and they won that trophy, and it was a well-deserved trophy. And you know what? We're coming up, everybody. Look at XPX right here using this technology, showing how this technology works. This passive income, I'm not sure how people can ignore this, especially in times where, do you not see the XPX community can kind of weather this stuff pretty good because we get paid no matter what. The chart goes up, you get paid. The chart goes down, you get paid, everybody. The chart goes sideways, you get paid, everybody. No matter what, you're going to get paid, okay? Love this. We got 63 people up here. Make sure you guys give us a follow. Let's start off with Crow with Knife, everybody. Let's jump right into it. We'll do a quick technical analysis. If you guys look, a lot of this selling that happened was a lot of bots, everybody. And these bots, they always know when the market's going to dip. And they did that right when that market had pulled back really hard. And now you'll see them step right back in. All these bots will step right back in, everybody. So smart money will start to step back in. You want to get in before these bots start to snatch up positions again, everybody. Not financial advice. Do your own research. I see we got a new wallet right here looking good. Load up on your bags, everybody. This is the shakeout before the breakout. I'm very excited, everybody. Load up on your bags. 515K market cap. Meetings that we had today. While we do everything that we're building, you're getting paid. Check Smart DeFi calculator on XPX at today's volume. I'm earning $3 every 24 hours. That's crazy. That's crazy. That is absolutely amazing. And you know what? When we keep getting this technology into a lot of people's hands, and the bigger your bag is, the more you earn. The bigger, some people are probably earning 10, some people are probably earning, 15. We see some big wallet holders. And as we continue to develop this and spread this out, imagine what this can do, to countries that are not as fortunate as us, and they're making this passive income. So and then being able to off ramp that passive income, right? Because before you make passive income, but where do you off ramp it to? Nowhere. And when you off ramp it, does it pay the ecosystem right back? No, it doesn't pay the ecosystem right back. It just off ramps the crypto and it doesn't go back into the ecosystem. But everything we're doing is designed for you guys. All right. So we're going to bring up Crow with Knife first. I see Oppie up in here. What's up, man? Bring them all up in here. Let's bring up Crow with Knife first, man. They pulled up first. Then we got the Vote Inu community. I want to see everybody pull up strong. We got 67 people at 200. We'll do 2 giveaways, everybody. So get everybody up in here if you guys want some free crypto. If you guys want some smart money right now. This is smart money right now, everybody. Loving how Crow with Knife is holding up very, very strong, everybody. Going through the motions, consolidating, pullback, consolidating, push up, consolidate, pullback. Same thing. We're just going to keep rinse and repeat until we have that breakout, everybody. This is the shakeout before the breakout, everybody. That's just what it is. That's just what it is. What is your story going to look like? Is your story going to be looking like, oh, when they were shaking everybody out, I was rolling around in grass? Oh, my God. Don't be that one. Don't do that. Don't do that. That is wasted time. You can touch grass later on. There's going to be so much grass you can touch. It's not even funny. You can touch. I mean, I might even, if you can make it through this bull run, if you can survive and act like smart money, and you got, I might even put that on our merch store. Sell a little fake patch of fake grass, right? Some turf, and just say, put that on your desk. And when you got to touch the grass, I think we're going to do that as a paperweight for your desk. For those who needed to go touch grass. Right now, we're touching crypto, everybody. We're acting like smart money right now. While everybody's out there, breathing through their nose, breathing out their mouth because they're, this is too much for them. We're loading up. Load up on your Crow with Knife. Load up on your XPX. Load up on your Oppie. Aloha. What's up, man? Load up on your Vote Inu. Load up on your favorite projects because when they come back from touching grass, the charts are going to be pumping, and we let them FOMO in at the top, everybody. Let them FOMO in at the top. We got 74 people up in here. Let's go, everybody. Great day to be a part of crypto. I mean, great day to feel like smart money. Great day to feel like, hey, we're doing what we are supposed to be doing. And also, man, start to join us for Power Hour with XPX. I just want to say that. We got a nice little marathon coming up. I've been giving away some serious alpha inside this Power Hour, everybody. Alpha that you guys want to hear and might, take you to that next level if you want to see what smart money does for you, okay? We got Crow with Knife looking good. We're going to open this up. I mean, great stuff. Community engagement. You guys having some drinks on the weekend. That's what's up. Shout out to Mimi. Loving what we're doing, everybody. Loving what we're doing, everybody. Let's keep going through the motions and keep holding these floors. Like, you guys know that we have to DCA, right? Like, you have to make sure, Raquel, ¿cómo está? We have to go through the motions. Like, you have to also respect your, protect your chart, right? DCA into your chart. And I'm sure, watch, we're going to see quite a few people DCA today. Even I'm going to DCA, start another wallet, DCA some more XPX, load up some more. This is that moment, everybody. Excuse me. This is that moment, everybody. We're at 77 people, looking good, growing these numbers. If you're listening over on X, you have to come over to YouTube for the giveaway, everybody, okay? And that's when we reach 200, if we reach 200 people. If we reach 200 people, we'll do 2 giveaways of $50 each of XPX. And you know what? Man, what a great time to get some. You get a lot more right now while it's on a discount. Crow with Knife looking good. I know we're going to get up back up in the zone. Let the consolidation happen. DCA, keep grinding, and it's going to pump, everybody. It's going to turn right back around. Now, remember, I'm always zoomed out. I'm looking at things on the daily chart, and that's the best way to look at stuff, everybody. Zoom out, look at it on the daily chart. And then you can lower the time frames if you like and take a deeper look at what's going on, everybody. But looking good. I'm going to love when we get back up in the zone up here right around that 50 mil. That's going to be a lot of fun, everybody. It's going to be so much fun. I can't wait for that for the Crow with Knife community. And that puts us back in the running like, hey, we're going to break all-time high, everybody. We're going to take this thing to all-time high. And it's going to be that, that rally, that fist pump is going to be happening. And I'm looking forward to sharing that moment with you guys. I'm still holding my Crow with Knife bag over here. There is no other option. That's the only thing I'm holding on the Kronos network. When Crypto.com owns more Crow with Knife than Shiba Inu, I'm sure when retail comes in, they're going to like the Crow with Knife as much as I do. And I just can't fumble that bag. So that bag is just going to stay there and do what it has to do. We got Vote Inu over here, everybody. Vote Inu Oficial, mi gente. Doing great things, over 15 mil. Love that we're holding above that. When the markets turn back green, getting back over 20 and holding above that is going to get us in that running to get back on this trend line. I want Volt to get back on this trend line, and I know we can do it. This chart is proof of it. You know, I'm okay with looking at, you know, stuff that doesn't look that good. We don't got to hide it, because you know what? If Volt Inu could pull back from this and make this real, all we have to do is keep grinding. Let's keep grinding, everybody. This shows you the power of this community. This shows you the rally. I remember we started doing little spaces with Cynthia and the rest of the Volt Army around this area, started dumping videos again, and we had a nice little rally. And you know, market started to pull back at the same time, and we're having that. When Volt Inu gets back on this trend line, which I'm sure it will, everybody, we're gonna get to do our thing. I'm not sure what I was writing up here. Only God knows. Let's erase this. Only God knows, right? Volt Inu looking very good. I'm sure that when they get everybody that loves when everybody that loves video games, everybody that loves Fortnite is buying some Volt Inu, and they're buying their Volted NFTs, you're gonna see a lot of people load up on Volt. They have a game on Steam, and I would go full steam on that. I would make sure I'm doing everything possible to get gamers that are already spending money on Fortnite skins, aka NFTs, non-fungible tokens, which that's all that they are on Fortnite. People who play them, or Counter-Strike. I was in one of those spaces. The guy said he was debating whether to spend $25,000 on an AK-47 on Counter-Strike or not. So these people are already warm leads. They already know how to spend money. They already want to be a part of something. So, I mean, when Volt Inu can ignite the whole meme power inside of the gaming industry, that is $1 billion market. Who knows what can happen? Who knows what can happen? This thing can go right into the $1 billion market cap. That can happen, everybody, because, you know, they got a great community, very strong community. They're already on Steam. I don't know many other projects that are listed on Steam and that have NFTs that you can use as skins for the game. I don't know any. So to me, you know, spending that money and doing all that stuff, that's where I would go full attack on that. And I'll get every little gamer in their mom's basement to load up on Volt, every single one. No disrespect to anybody in mom's basement. I'm a mama's boy. I love my mamas, but I thought it'd be funny. So Volt Inu, everybody, looking good, looking very good, looking very good, with a lot of potential, because they already made it. You know, it was forged in the bear market, so they've already made it through the hardest times. Curling is back up. I mean, some amazing things are right around the corner, everybody. Let's go. Tomahawk V, what's up? What's up, Rico? Nice live. Check out Koi, fresh, new, exciting meme on Tron Chain, 9 days old, all organic, perfect entry, 100K, don't fade. You know what? I want to get tapped into Tron plays, so we're going to check this one out. We're going to actually check this one out right now. That's what we're going to do, just because it's a Tron play. We're going to front run it. We got OG Brett recovering today. We're going to recover every day. We're going to do our thing no matter what. You know that, Emil, right? Pullbacks are going to happen. And you know what, Emil, seeing you pull up, you're true 1988, man. No matter what. Yeah, we got to recover. Cool. We'll recover. We'll do what we got to do. The whole market's doing it, right? The whole market is pulling back. So we pull up, everybody. Okay, Koi. Let's go right here. Tron Network, 8 days ago. Let's see. This one has 24-hour volume. Actually, it's the same contract address. All right. Okay, Koi. Great name. Okay, let me see what we got right here. This token is not listed on SunSwap. Check out the chart at this. Okay, we're checking it out right here. 72K market cap. Let me see. 72K market cap, not bad. I do think some of these Tron plays are going to be the next push, the next, you know, woohoo moment, you know, just like Solana, just like Base. And I want to make sure that we're not missing out on these. This could be, you know, a play. The market cap to liquidity ratio looks good. Had a pullback. Daily chart's looking good. Let's go down to the hour chart. I've been looking for some Tron plays to put in the Money Bags Mansion, everybody. It's already went through a harsh pullback. What kind of Tron wallet are you using? What's the best Tron wallet right now, Tomahawk? What is your Tron wallet that you're using? Have this community tap in with me. Oh, I like this on the card. It looks cool. Looks cool. Koi. Okay. Let me know down in the comments, what's your favorite Tron wallet to use? So Koi is looking good, everybody. Koi is looking good. We'll check that play out. A matter of fact, let me grab this link. Let me do it like this. We'll post it in the Moneybags Mansion. We'll see if people are interested in Tron plays. The Moneybags Mansion is kind of special because when you do post plays, you do see some price action, everybody. So we're gonna post it up in there. Let me see. Boom. Okay. Post that up in there. Cool. Looking good. Liking what I'm seeing, everybody. All right, cool. So we got a play posted up in there. Let me see who else is pulled up. We got 85 people up in here. Can you look at B Roge? Man, let's look it up. Let's have some fun. Let's see what's going on. Tron Link, that's the one you're using? Okay. B Roge. Is that tronlink.com or what? B Roge 5 months ago on base TG wallet. I use appreciate the super chat. Rico, thank you for pulling up. Koi is a great community and narrative on Tron. Yes, man. I really do think that the narrative on Tron is fresh and it's hot, and I like that. I'm definitely going to tap in with you guys. Join the Moneybags Mansion. All of the Koi community, there's a link down below for the Moneybags Mansion. You guys should join that mansion and hit a lot of reactions on the Koi link that I just posted inside there, so people can see that you guys are really, engaging and stuff like that. It's very important. Chart looks amazing after the listing retracement. Yeah, there's always a retracement when listings come. People don't understand. You gotta pay for a listing and you have to give them tokens. Do you think that the exchanges care? What do you think they do with the tokens, everybody? They create a lot of volume for us. Let's just say that. And they give you an opportunity to buy the dip. Okay. That's what happens. And you know what? It also shows where the real communities are at. We're at 92 people. Let's get to that over 100 mark. If we get to 200, we'll be doing a giveaway. We'll do 2 giveaways of $50 each of XPX that you guys want to stake. And you guys honestly deserve something that pays you passive income. I might be wrong for saying that you deserve these things, but I don't know. I believe that, somebody who pulls up to my live stream every single day that rocks with this channel on a daily basis, you honestly deserve to hold some XPX and stake it. So we got B Roge had his run up from, is this the B Roge you're talking about? B Roge token? K Keen 1367. Is this the one you're talking about? It's got to be. It's already had its pullback, right? Let's see what the engagement is looking like. We're going to pull up some stuff. We'll have some fun. Let's see what's going on. Yes, let's see what's going on. Let's see. What was the last post? Okay, so no recent posts. No recent posts. This tells a lot. Everybody has to continuously engage. What this tells me is, I'll be honest with you, that a lot of people printed and they're still in crypto. They're not just repping this one. So this one would have to take, a nice community rally, getting everybody on the same page to ignite this one all the way up again. It could be ignited very well because it's already had its redistribution, its shakeout already. But don't think that these people who left, they're just waiting for something. They're already in other projects and doing stuff. So it's time to build up from here. And I'll give you guys a roadmap. Up to you guys if you guys want to take it. Hold the support line. There's a small channel you can break past right here, create some more momentum. But if you can break past this up here, people will start to put some respect on Broge, the Broge coin. All right. So looking good. We got 94 people live with us. Looking amazing, everybody. Absolutely amazing. We also got a contest going to win $25 2 times. Just check the X. Let me see. Follow the rules and do the giveaway and tweet Rico. Any thoughts on Kendu now? Yes, let's check out Kendu. I know it's pulling back and testing everybody. I got everybody right here, man. Appreciate everybody pulling up. This is the place where you guys can pull up and get your bags checked. Check your bag. What's going on, And you guys know that I give it to you guys straight. A lot of times people don't like that, and they get all and I don't know what to tell you. But to tell you the truth, if you don't like it, I don't know. Okay. Am I still bullish on Kendu? Let's ask that question. Yes, I'm still bullish on Kendu because I'm bullish on the Chads. I'm bullish on, we don't gamble, we work. Are they being tested right now? Yes, absolutely. Is it a little bit to do with the NFTs and stuff like that? I think a little bit, right? I do believe that it would not be too hard to reignite Kendu doing what it's supposed to do. Again, over that $100 million market cap. But Look at what's going on like with Myro. Look at what's going on with like all these coins that were in the $100 million market cap. It's not something that's going on and is only happening to Kendu, right? This is not just a Kendu problem right now. I mean, I'll highlight my project. Look at XPX. I'm not afraid to show you guys. You look at XPX, there's even a pullback on XPX, right? So this is not like we hate Kendu thing and people don't like Kendu. This is a good example of what Rico, you're bullish nonstop. I know where I'm at. Watch, you guys are going to be crying. When we get on the right side of the chart and I'm not bullish no more, people are going to cry for me to be bullish again. And even if we cried together, if we did a rain dance together, it's not going to matter. When we're on the right side of the chart, we're going to be on the right side of the chart. That's why I'm very strategically building things inside of XPX to make sure that it protects us while we get on this right side of the chart. So I'm bullish right now. Oh, yeah, I'm bullish nonstop. But when we get on the right side of the chart, I remember what happened to me over here. Not going to forget it. I'm not going to pretend either. I'm not gonna play with you guys and pretend like, oh no. When we get on the right side of the chart, I'm gonna let you guys know. Hopefully by then you are positioned correctly inside of XPX, staked up, because the utilities that we're building long term is to make sure that when it comes, because it will come, that we're always making passive income. But yes, I am bullish nonstop. I'm bullish on Kendu right now. This community is very, very strong. You guys got some coffee coming out. You guys got some good things happening in the space overall. They got 64,000 up for grabs. Very, very important. You guys should have recorded spaces, actually, and let people listen to this later on. Maybe there's a reason why you guys don't do that. Maybe it's a Kendu thing. I know you guys have your own way of doing stuff. Maybe that's what it is. But nonetheless, still very bullish on this community, everybody. Very, very bullish. There's going to be some shakeouts. There's going to be some consolidation, even some FUD, everybody. FUD is not what everybody, their prism makes it look like, right? Everybody looks through the prism of FUD and think that it's actually somebody saying Kendu's no good, or XPX is no good, or Vote is no good, or Crow and Knife is no good. No, sometimes FUD is the words, right? Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. It doesn't take anybody for the human mind to come up with wild ideas of why things are not going their way. And they put their own fear, right? Because the markets are pulling back. They put their own uncertainty because they didn't plan their trade well enough and they didn't trade their plan. So now they have all that uncertainty. They're second guessing themselves. And that right there, of course, results in having doubt about everything that you have. All that results in doubt. And that's kind of where FUD originates, and it's just in the mind, everybody. And it's up to you whether you want to take advantage of these amazing prices that you see right now. Are you willing to DCA into Kendu like you were before when everything was pumping? It's not like everything else is pumping and Kendu's being left behind, right? Look at the whole market. Look at all this. It's red, 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 red. Everybody's red. Kendu's red. Crow and Knife is red. Everybody's pulled back. XPX is red. Everybody. FEG tokens in the red. Everybody's in the red. You know who's in the green? Us. We're in the green. Why? Because we're in the perfect time that when everything comes back, we capitalize on that, everybody. We capitalize on that. This is your opportunity right here, everybody. This is I'm going to post this in the chat. Take advantage of it if you like. If you don't, hey, it's all good. I won't lose any sleep, everybody, okay? But I know that when we get on the right side of the chart and I'm doing my I told you so dance, and, we have our XPX moment of, where's it at? Right here. We have our XPX moment of this. Instead of saying $500 and something dollars, it's saying $5,000 in passive. How nice would it be to know that by the time the bear market came, you would have $5,000 or an extra $10,000, maybe $20,000 from accumulating staking? That while you're doing all your crypto stuff and everything like that, your XPX bag is growing nonstop. You deserve that, everybody. It's up to you. It's up to you. We are going to be on the right side of the chart eventually. Do you have Easter egg baskets with little eggs, growing and getting better for you when that does happen? Do you have a plan for that side of the chart, or are you only focused on win pump, win marketing, win Lambo? You're going to get wrecked like that. You're going to get wrecked like that. Yo, Rico, MSI is up in here. Let's go. Bring MSI up, man. Let's go. Let's bring MSI up right now. Get your bags, everybody. Get your bags. Here goes that bot coming right back in. I warned you guys. Those bots, they do that when the market pulls back really hard. The bots will automatically sell, and then we're going to see these bots snatch up all this floor again. You can literally snatch up this floor on XPX, knowing that this bot normally likes to buy a couple to $3,000 worth of XPX, and it lets it rides with the market as BNB pumps, everything else pumps. It's up to you guys. It's up to you guys. Let's check out MSI. Let's check out MSI. We got MSI over 4.5, getting close to 4.5 million. I'm loving this. Loving this. When MSI gets back over 5 mil, ooh, that's going to be nice. That's going to be nice. Everybody's been tested. Everybody has been tested. MSI went all the way up to, 28 million about. What did it go up to? I think 22 million when I got to see it. And, people took profits, but this is that turnaround point. Getting over 5 mil and holding above 5 mil is so strong. It's so vital. And then when we break over, when we break over $10 million, dumb money comes in because now they're buying the tops. Right now, smart money will be snatching up the floors of all these respective projects. Smart money will be being activated right now, everybody. Activate your smart money. Activate your smart money on your favorite plays that it's going to pump, that has a strong community. This is where we will grow, everybody. This is where things get very, very powerful and they get very, very strong, everybody. Over 100 people live with us, looking good. We trickled down a little bit, lost 6 people. We're at 94. We're almost at 100 people. At 200, we'll do a giveaway, but everybody's busy touching grass, everybody. We're gonna have that part of our merch as well. We're gonna do that. Something you can put on your desk to touch grass so you don't have to miss out on these prices. You can touch grass now, or you can touch sand for a while later on. It's up to you. You can touch grass right now and be part of this trend that everybody touches grass when the markets are too rough for them, or you can be touching sand on the beach during the bear market. Up to you. Up to you what you want to do. But I'm going to let you guys know right now, last bull run, I was doing that. Markets pull back. I go kick it. I go have fun. Go do it. Because I thought it was going to last forever. So I was just treating it like it was just, it's going to go up forever and ever and ever and ever. So, when markets pull back, I was touching grass. I was going to go do this, go spend some money, go do this, go buy that, go and then you get the bear market. And then you get the bear market. And then you get the bear market. So it's up to you. You can touch grass now, or you can chill in the sand for a lot longer later. Up to you. We got Bitcoin turning right back around on everybody. We have buying opportunity after buying opportunity. This is where I think, all the real communities are being exposed right now. Where are you guys at? This is where most of the stuff is working hard every day. We have to work hard every day. We have to. It's in your, or like I said, that's why the name of this title is Smart Money. Smart Money is going to be activating right now while people are saying, hey, and look, I touch mountain. That's what I do. I don't go touch grass because it's Nevada, so there's not that much grass over here. But after I already printed, after I already did what I had to do, I don't have to touch grass like I'm depressed about the market conditions. Like, no, because that plays with your psyche a little bit, and it removes the idea of when the markets are fearful, you're supposed to be greedy. If while the markets are fearful and the charts are red, you're busy touching grass, how are you going to get a discount price? How does that work? How do you apply these fancy phrases that everybody uses, but where they actually work? Where they actually work. They have to make sense, everybody. XPX Army will be touching sand for life. Absolutely. 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 Crow with Knife pulling up strong. The Vote Army pulling up strong. Vote, let's go. Let's vote it. It sure does. We're at 100 people right now. We're at 100 people. I appreciate everybody pulling up. Absolutely amazing. I got some things coming for I'm still dropping videos for everybody. It's up to you guys to grab these videos, repost them off your main page, go hard on these main pages, snip this, touch grass, no thanks. I'll touch cheeks like that. Oh, I like that. Next level cash. I like that. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Touch grass? No, go touch some cheeks. As a matter of fact, we're going to bring up cheeks because that one was so good. MSI is doing good, over 5 mil. The rally starts to build up over 10 mil. Everybody who was touching grass comes back because now everybody's all woo, and now they can come back into the market and they can buy the top. So let them go do what they got to do, everybody. Let them go do what they got to do. We got cheeks next, everybody. Let's talk about cheeks, man. Let's talk about cheeks. Let's talk about cheeks, everybody. It's this one right here, 4 months ago. Let's see what we got. $4 million market cap. 386K in liquidity, strong liquidity. Not too bad, right? Looking really good. Let's see what this chart's looking like. Looking really good. Consolidation. When a project can handle this, everybody touching grass stuff and keep consolidating, the pump's coming. Smart money is activating down here in this zone right here. And then everybody else gets up and up over here because the breakout to the top side will happen, everybody. You know, this is when everybody starts to come back in. You know, you're supposed to be doing it down here. You know, it's already found its support. It's consolidating. Everybody's going to start up here. And even right here, I'll be honest with everybody. This is still a good entry. Let's say if you waited for this breakout and it came back down. See, it's lagging a little bit. I'm moving too fast. Let's see. What's going on here? Give me the brush. Even this is actually a good trade. Back down in this section. I'm not sure why it's not writing it out. But nonetheless, even if you got in right here, but really, you know, it's always that price range that gives it away. That pullback. This is your entry. They already went through their pullback. Okay, indicator's not working. Let me refresh this page. We're touching cheeks over here, everybody. Let's go, man. I liked that one. Loving everybody pulling up, man. Much love and respect to everybody. Loving this. The numbers make sense, everybody. Watch how the streams are going to be all with a bunch of numbers once the markets get back rallying, right? Because the hashtags are going to be hot again. Everybody's going to want to talk about crypto again. People are going to want to search crypto. And, you know, that's just what's going to happen, everybody. So this one's looking good. I'm checking it out on the daily chart. This could have happened. That's also a good entry. But this consolidation that's been able to happen nonstop shows that this community wants it, right? And that's what we want. A community that shows that they want it. You know, even if you waited to this pump up back down, they show strength. But really, that, like I was showing earlier, and it wasn't popping up, it's already did the pullback. You know, this is that 80% retracement, 60 to 80% retracement. So it's already done it, everybody. It's already done it. 50% staked on SoulBank. Nice. That's huge right there. That's huge. I know that's huge. XPX were the highest stake token on Smart DeFi. And yeah, it looks amazing. Market maker going crazy, though. We got Diverse Flame. What's up, man? XPX Crow with Knife to the Moon. Man, you got to put your moon boots on, right? You got to have your XPX ready to go. We got to have it ready to go. It's up to us right now, everybody. This is the load up zone. Let's go ahead and look at Cyber. Let's look at BTC. We'll see if some more communities pile up in here. You know, everybody's doing stuff right now. We got BTC pulling back a little bit. This is on the 3-minute chart. I was kind of zoomed in because everything that's going on. This is some great ways. But if we look, Bitcoin oversold. We start to layer this up. 4-hour chart, turning it right back around. We got some good price action. I'll be honest with you guys. I suspect still a little bit more consolidation, everybody. Okay? I suspect a little bit more consolidation. I don't think that it's going to be just like it's going to happen right now. I know we're seeing this pullback and a little bit of life. And just like before, there was like a little bit of life shown into the market. I think they're going to play a little bit longer with us, everybody. But this is a great time while they're doing this that you find your favorite plays and you start to DCA on all these things right now, everybody. So very, very important for us to go through these motions. Loving what we're doing. This is the opportunity before that run up, and we're seeing that happen. Now, let's look at Cyber token. Like I said, I closed all my trades earlier this morning after that pullback. I mean, what a great trade. Oh, my God, that was such a great trade. And it comes from just waiting for the dip. Now, on this one, look around the $3.10 to $3 range. Now, I'm not going to lie. It dipped a little bit lower last night because, you know, BTC pulled back a lot lower than I wanted to right here. When it first came right here, it held. It was already oversold. And it just yanked a lot lower. That's why you don't want to go in all the way. So if you need to, you can DCA and ride this wave because they didn't want me to be a part of this, but was not going to happen. And I mean, what a great trade. Now on the daily chart, if you wanted to do a really long swing trade, this is also looking really good because this thing's just oversold automatically. They got staking live where people get ETH and other stuff that they want to claim. Some new news coming out. So I can see this one turning around. And it's to me, I believe that it's a bit of a sleeper. It's going to turn around and kind of rally really up. A lot of them are about to do this. And I've been keeping a close eye on this one, printing nonstop on all these gap and go trades from, you know, a little bit low to a little bit high. And I want you guys to take advantage of these. And we're seeing this action right now again. Like I said, I suspect a little bit more consolidation in the BTC market. So most likely we'll see a little bit more consolidation on these other tokens that we're trading on the side. If you're interested in this, you have to join the Moneybags Mansion. Use my referral code for BYD5. Let me see if I can pull it up really quick. So like that, you guys can be tapped in with me. 1 second. Let me bring it up. Let me see. 1 second. Okay. Let me bring this up. Oh, my God. 1 second, everybody. Let me go to my affiliates. All right, cool. I'm about to get it right now for you guys. So this right here is going to be huge for everybody. You know, take advantage of it. Use it. Don't use it. It's up to you, right? Let's see. Where's it at? Okay. 1 second, everybody. I appreciate you guys being patient. 1 second. I want to get this link. There's been some good signups, and this is going to be like, you're going to know when the bear market's back because all these signups are going to be gone. Nobody's going to care about. The exchanges are not going to try to onboard everybody. All that's going to be done and over with. They're not going to care. So I'm trying to get you guys in while there's still this opportunity to get in. Okay, here it goes. 1 second, everybody. So those who got in on that time frame, you guys got that extra $300. That event's over right now, but nonetheless, I'm going to post this link for you guys in the chat. Use this referral code. Get tapped in with me. Very important. Get your BNB off of here and load up on your XPX, everybody. Load up on your XPX using your BNB, and also all the free bonuses that they have. You know, claim up to $2,800 in rewards. I've claimed, you know, quite a bit off of this, and I print on a regular basis. Get all these rewards off of this and use this for your favorite projects. Trade up to 200x leverage. Use all this stuff, and I'm constantly helping you guys with these hot trades. It's not like I'm telling you to sign up and I'm not giving you none of the trades. I'm giving you guys these entries and stuff. What's up, Rob T? MSI won't be at this level long. I'm already knowing. Once we break over that 5 mil and keep it pushing, it's going to look really good. So we're looking good. We're looking good, everybody. We got consolidation. Keep an eye on this Cheeks. Not Cheeks. I'm going to look at Cheeks right now. On Cyber, and load up and get signed up to that BYD5 portal that I'm sending you guys to. Sign up. Use my referral code. Get the extra money sitting on the table. Pull that. I'm telling you, pull the money off the table and put it into your MSI. Put it into your XPX. Put it into your Volt. Put it into whatever you want to put it into. But you should be in practice of where you can find money sitting on the table and take it off the table and put it into your favorite projects. So how am I able to show you guys that you guys can go to BYD5, take free money off the table and put it into your free projects, and you're going to be acting? Don't do that, everybody. I don't care if you're that rich that, you know, $2,800 ain't nothing to you. That's bad practice. That's bad practice. That's very, very bad practice. A good example of that is Mark Cuban talking to Logan Paul. The millionaire mind compared to the billionaire mind. There's a clip of Logan Paul talking to Mark Cuban to get the prime drinks inside the stadiums of the Mavericks, and you have a clear indication of how the billionaire mind thinks and compared to how the millionaire mind thinks. Because the millionaire, he was trying to act stuck up and act like he didn't want the money. When the billionaire, he said, "Oh, we'll take your money. We'll take your money." When there's money sitting on the table, these big ones, the whales, they'll take every little bit off the table. You don't think he's making money off a soda that sold for $5? When most people would say, I don't want to get into the business of selling soda. There's, $5 at a time. I don't want to sell soda at $5. Well, he's selling it at Arena and making crazy amount of money. All you have to do is scale it up afterwards, everybody. Scale it up. So do not let money sit on the table. When I'm telling you $2,800 on the table, go through all the motions, whatever you guys can claim that, and put it into Cheeks. Put it into Crow with Knife. Put it into your favorite projects. But don't be out touching grass when there's money sitting on the table and posts that needs to be rated, shills that need to be shilled. There's work to do right now, everybody. This is grind time, baby. Come on now. This is the best time to be a part of crypto. Don't let these markets try to put you all down and out. Not going to happen, everybody. Not going to happen. Cheeks is looking good, man. Cheeks is looking good. Cheeks is looking really good. 110 people live with us today, man. Absolutely amazing. Crow and Knife community, the Volt Army community, everybody pulling up. I mean, strength in numbers, everybody. Strength in numbers. Okay, so we got Cheeks. Do we got any other? Let's check Myro, man. How's Myro doing? Let's check on the good boy Myro. Duco's up on the top 10. Okay. Grab that money back. Grab the cash. How can you not? You don't think your subconscious mind will make a neural link passageway that says that you like to pass up money? That's why I'm shocked that everybody can have XPX in their portfolio making passive income, but they want to act like they don't like passive income. It's like, all right, teach your mind that. Teach your mind that, you know, when there's passive income or something that's going to work for you that you want to ignore. Let me know where your portfolio looks when the bear market comes around. Let me know what that looks like. I want to see. We can play big bank, take a little bank. If you guys want it, that's an old school game. We could play that. When the bear market comes around, we could play big bank, take a little bank. And man, I'm sure my passive income bag alone is probably gonna outrank some people because they're too focused on yelling at this and yelling at that. I don't know who needs to tell you, but you deserve to make passive income, everybody. I don't know who needs to tell you that. I've been telling you, maybe you don't want to hear it, but you deserve to have something in your bag that makes passive income. You don't want to have an extra 5 Gs, 10 Gs, 20 Gs when the bear market comes? Or you just want to keep practicing that you let pass? Oh, no, I'm good on passive income. No. That's what I like to tell myself. I don't like. I want to go touch some grass. I want to just go woo, woo. Well, you know what? While we're doing all that, we're making money. Everybody, that's up to you. That is up to you. You want to figure out how you can stay smiling during this? Create passive income. The average millionaire has 7 streams of income. Everybody, 7 streams of income. 100% to everything you just said. People got to do the work and be bullish right now when things are bloody. Absolutely. 100%. 100%. And you know what helps is finding solid communities, finding solid projects. So, you know, FUD doesn't creep in. Sometimes we put like FUD, like it's like FUD can come from this outside person or, you know, outside source or something. But a lot of times that comes from our own brain, you know, from not, you know, planning our trade, trading our plan, from not making passive income streams coming in, from over leveraging, from not having good control on our risk management. That's enough to cause enough FUD. You don't even need nobody to say anything to you. You don't need nobody to say anything to you if you have, you know, a trade that you did not plan out correctly. You didn't, you know, plan your trade your plan. If you don't do that, you're going to put FUD in your own brain. You're going to have FUD in your own magical brain doing its own stuff that it does all the time. We know we're all human, right? Our brain sometimes comes up with some really silly ideas because people suffer more in imagination than they do in real life. They go, what about this? What about that? What if this? What if that? And nothing's even happened. Nothing's even happened. And we're human, right? These things are going to come about. And I know that. But that's why I create things around me to make sure that these natural human ideas that do stem up and you're like, oh, what about that? I'm like, hey, I got this to have my back. These are the times you set up to get wealthy. Absolutely, Rob T. And you know what? These numbers make sense. You know, we got 110 people live with us right now. These numbers make sense about, like, you know, how many people are out touching grass because the markets, and how many people are saying, you know what? It is what it is. I'm going to do what I have to do. Like, you have to have that winner's mentality. It's okay with challenges. Like, if you want that gold, that trophy, like, it has to come with adversity, everybody. It doesn't just come flying through clear skies, no dark clouds, no lightning, no thunder. What? I want my story to be that, you know, the landing gear didn't work. So we had to crash land XPX on the moon. I want the story like that. So you know what? The landing gear didn't work. So I thought it'd be better if we landed this rocket on the moon. Forget the landing gear. We're gonna crash land on the moon, everybody. We were aiming for the stars, but the landing gear is not working to land on the stars. So we're gonna park this thing on the moon, everybody. That's the type of story that I want, no matter what. DJ play on Tron, Monkey Brother Walker. That's another Tron play. Man, we're gonna have some Tron plays coming out, man. You know what? I'm in that mood where we're gonna call everybody up. I'm loving what I'm seeing with Myro. I'm always gonna be here for the good boy Myro. I'm here for this community. We've been through this before, and I'm sure that will prevail once again, everybody. Let's do this together. Let's grind together so we can shine together. Let them go touch grass. Let's do what we got to do, everybody. So we got another one. Is there sand on the moon? Yeah, yes, there's sand on the yes, there's sand on the moon. Definitely. Have you seen it? Haven't you seen when they bounce around how sandy it looks? It almost looks like a luminary, right? All right. Sand that glows. That's what it seems like. Seems like it's sand that glows. All right. Let's go ahead and what's this play right here? We got Degen play on Tron Monkey Brother Walker. All right. Myro's looking good, man. When Myro gets back over 100 mil, we'll be really good. You know, this is not I hate Myro. I hate this. This is every project is going through this. Every project's going through this. And I'll be honest, a lot of the money is headed over to this new narrative right now. Remember, we had the Solana pump. We had the base pump. Right now, we're getting the Tron pump, everybody. So this Tron movement is happening. And we're going to get some of these Tron plays in the Moneybags Mansion. Call all your respected communities. Have these teams reach out to me to be a feature project on the show, you know, make some magic happen, and maybe even bring somebody up to talk about why they chose Tron. Is it because they're just chasing the narrative, chasing the hype, or, you know, do they believe I'm building on the Tron network for whatever reasons that they want to build on it? You know, let me know. Let the Moneybags Mansion know. Let the, you know, everybody on this channel know why we should be invested into Tron plays. Let's see what they got going on over here. Sun Walker community. Okay, so we have okay. Decent engagement on the tweets. This one's an hour old, nothing right here. So it could get a little bit higher, but overall, not bad. Let's see what they do. Let's see what they can do. Let's see what they can do. Close this out. Let's look at the chart. I'll give you guys a roadmap. It's up to you guys whether to take it or not. I'm going to leave that up because I believe that you guys deserve the passive income. But, you know, it's just like sometimes people don't understand, right? I'm trying to help everybody understand. So this is that pullback. I mean, it's quite a pullback. It's already had its run up. So if you really believed in it, maybe it can turn around from here. Let me see the website. Let me see. We'll see. We'll see. Walker, Monkey Brother, maybe. It's had its pullback. It kind of had its rally already. It would have to have a good, strong community right behind it and pushing this thing. It could have something. It could turn it around, but it's definitely going to need some life to spark this back up. We got to get back, you know, back over 100K market cap. It's already had its run. So, you know, to convince people, we got to get back over that. We got to get all this going on down here. This thing has to curl right back up and get on here if it wants to be where people are taking it serious, because this is just, it's too underneath where it started off. You know, it's going to be hard to convince people to step into that. It's going to be really hard. 115 people live with us, man. At 200, we'll do a giveaway. At 200, we'll do a giveaway. Get your communities up in here. I'm doing my best to get some passive income. I'm curious. How hard is it? Was it hard for you guys to figure out how to get Solana? Was it hard for you guys to figure out how to get ETH? Didn't you guys figure all that out? Figure out how to get some BNB and buy XPX, stake your XPX, and make passive income. You deserve it. I apologize for thinking that you guys deserve some form of passive income. You know, if you look up the history of stocks, you look up the history of buying shares of something, they would convince people to buy shares of a company because the company paid dividends, everybody. Not because everybody thought they're the next wolf on Wall Street. That's not how it started off. That's not what the idea was about. It was, hey, if you support and you buy in, we'll pay you a little bit of this for, you know, putting money into our company. It wasn't that you were the next wolf on Wall Street and you became, you know, a trader or you're doing this. No. This is dividends right now, everybody. Get paid dividends every single day, no matter what. All these sales right here on our chart, that everybody got paid. Everybody got paid. I want you to get paid nonstop. This is the pay that pays you. I don't know. I'm going to learn some more languages. That's what I'm going to do. Yep. Nice. I would have to hold the moon dust just to make sure that it is really sharp. I can't go off of if I can't hold it myself and see it myself. I can't do that. So it's a theory that, not a fact, but it is a theory that the moon dust is actually sharp and cuts up like glass. So I would have to hold it to see. I haven't had no moon dust in my hand though. But if it did, then yeah, of course. Yeah, it's all good. It can cut. It's all good. I'll walk through fire. I'll walk through glass. I'll walk through whatever I got to walk through, no matter what, as long as I make it. That's all that matters to me. Walking on glass, walking on fire. I've told you guys before, sometimes it's going to feel like you're walking through hell. Keep walking. Don't take a break walking through hell and go touch some grass. You're going to be in hell a lot longer. Just keep walking. Just keep going. It's all good. It's all good, everybody. Looking great. Get your passive income right now. Let's see what other projects pull up, man. I'm having fun. Let's see what else pulls up. Let's go through the list. As I'm shilling passive, it's crazy how much you got to shill passive income for people, right? Yeah, appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Rico turning moon dust factoid into motivational speech. That's why we love it. Man, I love you guys too, man. I really do. I really, really do. I just don't want to say I want to show you guys every day that I want you guys to make it. I really have, quite a lot of conviction in a lot of these communities that we are going to make it, everybody. And we're a part of that group that says, hey, we're just going nonstop, everybody. We're just going to keep doing our thing nonstop. This is a hidden gem. I think it will do really good later on. It had his run up. We printed like crazy during this moment. We caught that wave. Everybody in the Moneybags Mansion. We have, over 500 people. It is free, always will be free. But we got in way down here, which was like, yes. That's why, a lot of things for XPX going to get paid out, everybody, because I was grinding for my bag. And I'm going to keep doing this. I'm going to keep doing this nonstop. You think that I'm done after this cycle, everybody? XPX is going to be part of all these cycles, everybody. XPX is here to stay until we're in the dirt, and it keeps going on after that. That's what it is, everybody. You don't think I'm going to be here for this next bull cycle? You don't think XPX is going to be over here as well? You don't think I want to see a $1.2 million Bitcoin? You think I'm done after this? No, I'm going to keep building. I'm going to keep going crazy. I'm going to keep doing my thing. I'm going to go hard every single day. I want financial freedom, not just for me, but for everybody that's associated with me. What is that passive income going to look like over here? You want to talk about real passive income? What are you going to do when you see XPX at 10 million, at 20 million, at 50 million, at 100 million? Because we're not going anywhere. We're not going anywhere. We're going to stay right here doing our thing, creating passive income for everybody, an ecosystem that pays you. No matter what the market conditions are, it's always going to pay you. I love that. I really do. And that is for you if you guys want that. Now, there's going to be some people that try to come along and try to create stuff like it. It's not going to happen, everybody. They don't have the same passion for you as I do, everybody. I can tell you that right now. This ecosystem the XPX ecosystem is designed for you. It's up to you whether you want it or not. It's up to you whether you want it or not. Duco's looking good. The cutest dog on Solana. It can turn around. It can happen. It pulled back on everybody and then rallied back up. This pullback zone is that same exact zone, just about where it was at, where it rallied right back up on everybody. This one had a run up early on when the markets were seeming very bullish, when Bitcoin was headed towards its last all-time high. And, it actually broke the 69K and did the 73 and did all that. So, it was during that little momentum that it had. But I believe that this is going to come back. I believe that it will come back and have its moment because it's already listed on all the major exchanges. It's pretty tapped in with all the major people. It's just a matter of time. I think a lot of these that already did what they did and had all that redistribution, it's just a matter of time before the next ones come. Look, Gate.io, MEXC, BitGet, BingX, Bitmart. So all these major exchanges right here. So very, very bullish. Very, very bullish on this one. This is the DCA game right here. Would probably do really good on this one. This is probably as low as you're going to see it go. And if something magical is going to happen, it would be right around here. It would be right around here, everybody. I see everybody pull up, man. Doing really good today. Loving the numbers. 122 people live with us today. I mean, let's do this, man. Let's have a great time, man. Let's really make something happen, everybody. Let's see OG Brett. Where's OG Brett? I know Emil pulled up earlier. I'm, saying we're going to pullbacks happen, everybody. It's happening to the space. And honestly, the pullbacks on OG Brett are very, very good numbers. Let's go. Oh yeah. 120 people total live. That's really good. We could all, if we all decided to buy one of the charts, 120 people, we would move the chart where FOMO would start. Eventually this channel is going to be, we're close to almost 17K, but I can't wait till we get over 20K, everybody. When we get over 20K, it's going to be really nice. The faster we get this channel to 20K, the faster it is that I'm telling 20,000 people about your guys' bags, everybody. The faster it is. Let's see if we can hold on to this range right here, OG Brett. I'll be honest with you guys. Anything over 5 mil is still very healthy. Let's hold above 5 mil. Now, as far as pricing on the chart, prior resistance becoming future support, that's healthy, right? If we can just consolidate it right here, boop, 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 and then took off when the markets picked back up, that's all good. And I'll be honest with you guys, people probably don't want to say this is even still safe. That is still an option. Now, obviously, people don't want to hear that, but it's still an option. And really, anything over $5 million market cap is super, super, super powerful, everybody. Super, super powerful. 123 people live with us today. The numbers are growing. They're looking great. We're grinding every day. Loving it. We got OG Brett pulling up. Okay, 5 mil is a strong floor. I agree. I totally agree. 5 mil is a very strong floor because, it's all these psychological barriers of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, right? So, so long as we stay above 5, we keep the psychological mind, how the brain works, right? Likes to come up with ideas. Anything above 5, we're going to stay talking about $10 million market cap no matter what. But when we go underneath 5, the way numbers work, people think that we're going to go lower. So staying above 5 is awesome for us. 130 people live with us. Yeah, above that 130 or above that $5 million market cap, very healthy. Good area for us to keep grinding, to just keep doing what we're doing, everybody. Keep doing what we're doing. Let's see what we got going on over here. My TG is lagging like crazy. DCA into your projects, everybody. DCA. Yep. 5. Yep. For sure. We got 130 people now. Very, very nice. Let's check out the X handle. Also, OG Brett, I have sent some links and some contacts for you guys to get tapped in. Whoever I needed to contact to front run you guys onto MemeFlix, you guys need to DM me. Who's the main person that I need to talk to so we can get that going? If you guys want to be front run. So I was taking care of that yesterday for you guys. Vote Inu, you guys should be good already. So that's coming up. Took care of that. If you guys want that all access pass to get listed on MemeFlix because you guys are interested instead of going through the waiting process and all that stuff, contact me. I've onboarded over 20 projects, everybody. Over 20 projects went crazy to get listed on MemeFlix. But you guys got to hit me up in my DM on TG, and I'll give you that bro pass. That, hey, I know Rico Moneybags, because it's not what you know, it's who you know. Okay? It's not what you know, it's who you know. So when you see Vote Inu on MemeFlix, don't act surprised. When you see the FEG token giveaway that happened on BYDFi, don't be surprised. You guys don't understand how many strings I be pulling behind the scenes. You guys have no idea. Just magic happening back to back. And for all good reasons, because you guys will see. You guys will see. Yeah, for sure. Let's go, man. Let's go. Cat Duck. That one was nice. Shout out to Scotty. Everybody pulled it up. We got the Wolfpack pulling up. The Real Abs. What's up? Everybody pull up. Very strong. 130 people live with us, man. Absolutely amazing. OG Brett doing his thing. Hit me up in the DM so like that I can set it up so we can get you guys on MemeFlix and stuff with Pojak and all that stuff. It's going to be pretty powerful. This crypto portfolio will 100 to 1,000x the bull run. Shout out to Josh and the guys from they're running 2 different ones. Nice. The guys are active today. Tune in to see this crypto portfolio. Okay, they're connected. So nice. And the guys over there, trust me, they're even bullish on XPX. We got something coming up very soon after the launch of Pay. And you guys will see, everybody. We are so close. I'm so excited. The markets don't even bother me right now. I'm so pumped up. Rico Moneybags is a wolf. Oh, man. My fangs are out, man. I'm ready to attack this market. Loving this. Very smart to use all the content that I put out for you guys. Use it, clip it, remix it, do what you guys got to do. OG Brett looking really, really good. OG Brett looking really, really good, everybody. The overall markets are looking really good. I mean, people say, what are you talking about looking really good? Well, for those who want to snatch up a bag for the cheap, it's looking good. Now, for those who like to buy high and sell low, not so good. If you like to see your portfolio deplete, then this is not that good. You're not going to like this. You're not going to, oh my God, discounts? I don't want that. I don't want a discount right now. I want to pay, overpriced price and then sell for under that price. We got to change that philosophy up before the time's too late. Undervalued projects, buy in the dip and load up, everybody. All right, let's check out a cyber. I'm waiting for my next cyber play. I like to look on the 15-minute chart. It's oversold over here. This might be the next play on this one. Let's look at Bitcoin on the 15. Okay, Bitcoin's almost oversold. And it looks like there wants to be a little bit more life. If I get another long position on Bitcoin that says, hey, Rico, go long like this. You see this over here? It's got this green thing. Let me zoom in a little bit more so you guys can see. See right here, it says go long. It's oversold. It says go long. When you come over here, let's see. This is 6:45 in the morning. 6:45 right here in the morning. Right here, you see this? This is where Rico Moneybags, and then whoop. How did this happen? Because Bitcoin rides with this. This thing follows Bitcoin. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. That orange line, it's it following Bitcoin. Okay? So 6:45 in the morning, you see how when Bitcoin pumped up, everything else follow. And everything reacts to Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin can give me that buy signal, then I know that I have a set amount of time to load up my bags on Cyber, and Cyber reacts after Bitcoin makes that movement. So you have like this window of opportunity to snatch up, Cyber when Bitcoin does, hey, I'm going long all the way. And Bitcoin says, hey, I'm about to go long. I'm oversold, and gets a long position, actually starts to ride. It takes Cyber or a lot of other projects a set amount of time before it actually starts to rally up. If you're interested in these plays, if you want to print, you guys have to come over here. Use the referral code. There's free money sitting on the table. Free money sitting on the table. And if you load up on XPX, you get passive income. I mean, doing my best to give it to you guys however I can. I want you guys to come over here and also give me a follow at Rico Moneybags. This is where a lot of the magic is happening. This is where you're going to see a lot of the things that we're talking about come to life, everybody. Okay. A lot of the things that you're going to want to use in this space are going to come to life right here. So make sure you guys give me a follow at Rico Moneybags, everybody. Very, very important. Make sure you guys are tapped in. We're going to get this channel to over 2K very, very soon. Don't miss out on the staking rewards, but let's get this X handle to over 2K as well. Make sure you guys, man, keep pulling up nonstop. We're climbing there every single day. Get your bag of passive income. Let this project work out for you. Let this ecosystem pay you. Have something. You deserve this, everybody. You honestly deserve to have something that's paying you passive income. Go look in the mirror and say, hey, I deserve something that pays passive income. I want something that's accumulating passive income. Don't be that guy. Don't be that girl that sees this when I post a picture that now it's 5K. And then you say, no, I want to get some XPX. It's like, well, you could have had more of it. You could have caught all that volume, and you could have had more from back then. Don't wait till the markets pump up. This, eventually, I'm going to be showing you this at $1,000. How many I told you so's do you want before you're like, okay, the passive income's real. The cards are real. Everything they're doing is real. I say what I mean, and I mean what I say, everybody. We're going to go all the way with this one. We're going to go all the way with this one. This one is for you guys. Tap in with me, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys can't do that, continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.